tonight we're gonna do a really fun experiment. It's gonna be fizzy hearts. Are you ready to get started?
I'm ready to get started.
Here's what we're gonna need. A pan, some cookie cutters, some baking soda, we'll set that there, some white vinegar, what's that? Do you know? Food coloring.
Food coloring.
So first, we're gonna take the baking soda and we're gonna pour it in the hearts. Then,
Ooh, I love this part.
we're gonna add some little drops of food coloring and some of our vinegar.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Baking soda. Here you go, Iz.
Do this.
Yep, put them right inside the hearts. Perfect.
Ooh, let's see what happens to our fizzy hearts.
Okay. Little food coloring drops.
Let's
Ready?
do this.
Up. Up.
They look like eyes.
They do kinda. Okay.
A nose and eyes. And what do we do next?
So you're just gonna take a little tiny bit and you're just gonna kind of pour it in. Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Need some more?
Yeah, do more in the other ones. Put more in the big one.
Look how big it's.
Bubbly. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
All right.
Let's do this. Let's do different hearts. Plop.
Plop. All right. Get a couple squirts in there. There you go. Perfect. How about over here? And one up there? Great.
Oh. You see that? Look at that.
The gold from the food coloring. It's sparkly. Never seen anything like that.
I like the bubbles. Pop, 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 pop. This is cool.
This is really cool. All right, guys. We hope you had fun with our experiment today. We're gonna bring more to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.